Today, we're going to go over a real simple brake caliper rebuild. If you see red fluid leaking from the bottom of your brakes, high potential this will solve the issue. Thanks.
So these are pretty all squared, dried up. Yeah, they're not flexible.
So the brake calipers were leaking from the bottom.
Yeah.
So Oscar's
Pretty dry. They're hard.
taking the O-rings apart.
So,
And just compressed air in the fitting pushes the piston out enough to get the O-ring.
let's see what happens.
So looking at that, the
side walls where the piston puck for the brake cylinder or the caliper. Most common leak occur when there's a lot of pitting around the side walls here. This one's very clean, no pits. Just get a little Scotch pad. I'll clean it up before we put the new O-ring on there, and it should be good. We took the O-ring off, and it was squared. It's nice and flexible, pliable. The one we took off is really stiff and it's squared. So
this, yeah.
No matter what we did, it would have leaked. So we'll go ahead and replace them and leave the brakes. All good. No scratch, no pits.
So Scotch braided the inside. Now we're O-ring.
Just put the new one in there. Just roll it in. Squeeze it just to make sure it's not all twisted up. So that's it there. Put some in there. Still in. So I'm going to dry.
Seat it.
That's it.
All right, fixing a brake leak.